Enhance your spiritual journey, exploring digital Bible features. Immerse yourself in an unparalleled Bible experience with the Digital Bible, a cutting-edge application designed to effortlessly navigate, search, and comprehend the Holy Scriptures. Powered by artificial intelligence, this innovative tool opens new avenues for personal growth, sermon preparation, and efficient scripture referencing. Discover the future of biblical exploration today. Pros of Digital Bible. Number 1. Effortless navigation. Seamlessly filter and explore both Old and New Testament books, allowing for easy and intuitive access to the Bible's content. Number 2. AI-powered insights. Harness the power of artificial intelligence to gain deeper insights and a richer understanding of the Scriptures, enhancing your study sessions. Number 3. Flexible pricing. Access the Digital Bible for free, while having the option to make a donation to support the ongoing project and its mission. Number 4. Comprehensive use cases. Whether you are studying for personal enrichment, crafting sermons, or seeking quick references to specific passages, the Digital Bible accommodates a wide range of use cases. Cons of the Digital Bible. Number 1. Digital interface. While the app offers a dynamic way to engage with the Bible, some individuals may miss the tactile experience of traditional paper Bibles. Number 2. Dependency on technology. Reliance on digital devices and internet connectivity might limit access in certain circumstances. How to earn cash from this app? The Digital Bible offers an opportunity for users to earn cash by actively participating in its growth and community engagement. Here is how. Number 1. Content contribution. Contribute to the Digital Bible's expansion by submitting articles, devotionals, or study materials. Earn cash rewards for high-quality, accepted contributions. Number 2. Referral program. Invite friends, family, and fellow believers to join the Digital Bible community. Receive a percentage of any donations or premium subscriptions made by your referrals. Number 3. Premium content creation. Unlock access to premium features by creating in-depth study guides, interactive lessons, or insightful commentaries. Users can purchase your premium content, allowing you to earn a portion of the proceeds. Number 4. Engagement rewards. Active participation in discussions, forums, and study groups within the app can earn you points or tokens that can be converted into cash or app credits. Embark on a transformative journey of spiritual discovery while seizing opportunities to earn cash through meaningful contributions to the Digital Bible community. Join us today and be a part of revolutionizing the way we engage with the Holy Scriptures.